a Wikividi Documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Star TV series. Star is an American musical drama television series created by Lee Daniels and Tom Donahue for Fox. It revolves around three talented young singers who navigate the music business on their road to success. The series, which is set in Atlanta, consists of original music, along with musical fantasy sequences, as dreams of the future. Queen Latifah, Benjamin Bratt, Amaya Scott and Quincy Brown co-star. The series premiered on December 14, 2016. With the premiere of the series, Amaya Scott became the third openly transgender person to play a trans major character in a scripted television drama series in America, after Laverne Cox on Orange is the New Black and Jamie Clayton on Sense8. On February 22, 2017, Fox renewed the series for a second season, which premiered on September 27, 2017 and crossed over with other Fox series Empire. On May 10, 2018, Fox renewed the series for a third season. Season 3 premiered on September 26, 2018. Development and casting. In August 2015, Fox announced it had ordered a pilot for a potential new musical drama series titled Star from Empire creator Lee Daniels about three girls forming a girl group. In October that same year, casting for the series began. It was revealed that the series would feature a transgender character. On December 7, 2015, it was announced that Queen Latifah had joined the cast as Carlotta, Jude Demarest as Star, Brittany O'Grady as Simone and Ryan Destiny as Alexandra and Amaya Scott as Cotton. On December 11, 2015, it was confirmed that Benjamin Bratt has joined the cast as Jaheel, a talent manager. On December 14, 2015, Darius McCrary joined the series as the abusive foster father of Simone. Production for the pilot began in December 2015. The series was picked up, with a 12-episode order, on April 27, 2016. On October 9, 2017, Fox ordered an additional 5 episodes for the second season, bringing the season total to 18 episodes. On September 11, 2018, it was announced that Terrence J and Lindy Greenwood are set to recur in Season 3. Filming. On May 4, 2016, it was announced that Charles Murray would serve as showrunner during its first season. On September 13, 2016, it was announced that Charles Pratt Jr. would replace Murray as the series' showrunner. Following his decision to depart the series, due to creative differences. Following the conclusion of the show's first season, Pratt stepped down as showrunner and was subsequently replaced by Karen Gist. Brought to you by Wikividi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?